morning, guys, and welcome back to my channel. So I decided that today, since I was stuck at home because of the winter storm that we got yesterday, I would go ahead and just do a short cleaning video in my bathroom. I needed to clean my bathroom anyway, and I bought some Drano to use in my drain because it just was sort of clogged up. So every time I would shower, my tub would fill up about halfway, and then it would take forever to drain. So I did get some Drano, and I did this yesterday. I put some in, I let it sit, and I ended up using the whole bottle, but I got the drain, you know, to start draining like it should. So today I'm going to clean the bathroom, going to give it a thorough cleaning, a deep clean. I took my shower curtains down, the liner, I took out my towels, and my rug. So I've got everything washed, and so I'm going to get everything cleaned, and then I'm going to put everything back up. So I just thought, you know, while I'm at home today doing this stuff, I would go ahead and just, you know, document this and share it with you guys. It's a little bit difficult to film in my bathroom because it's so small, but I'm going to do my best to make it work, and I hope that it turns out well. So let's go ahead and get this done.
You say you're special, one of a kind, one of the better boys. I'm on your level, that's what you say, but all I hear is noise. I don't have time for trying my luck. I've been too hurt before. You're not that special, just give it up. I think I've had enough. I'm too busy loving my friends. I ain't got no love to spare for you. I'ma be that girl to the end. It don't really matter what you do. Guess I have to tell you again, cause you haven't got the news. Boy, you really need to understand that I don't wanna be your girlfriend, girlfriend. No, I don't wanna be your girlfriend, girlfriend. All I want is time with my girlfriend's girlfriend. So I don't wanna be your girlfriend, girlfriend. I know you want me, boy, I can tell. So deep under my spell. Sorry, not sorry that I'm no help, cause I'm full of myself. Boy, don't you worry, you'll find someone who wants you back, but that is not me. So give it up, haven't you had enough? I'm too busy loving my friends. I ain't got no love to spare for you. I'ma be that girl to the end. It don't really matter what you do. Guess I have to tell you again, cause you haven't got the news. Boy, you really need to understand that I don't wanna be your girlfriend, girlfriend. No, I don't wanna be your girlfriend, girlfriend. All I want is time with my girlfriend's girlfriend. So I don't wanna be your girlfriend, girlfriend. No, 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 no. Girlfriend, girlfriend. No, 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 no. Girlfriend, girlfriend. No, 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 no. Girlfriend's girlfriend. So I don't wanna be your girlfriend, girlfriend. No, 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 no. I don't really have time for you, boy. I don't wanna hear anything more. Boy, you really need to understand that I'm not your girlfriend. I just wanna be up in the club with my girls, yeah, sipping that pub. Never worry about la 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 love, cause I'm not your girlfriend. Yeah, yeah. And I never wanna be your girlfriend, girlfriend. No, I don't wanna be your girlfriend, girlfriend. All I want is time with my girlfriend's girlfriend. So I don't wanna be your girlfriend, girlfriend. No, 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 no. Girlfriend, girlfriend. No, 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 no. Girlfriend, girlfriend. No, 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 no. 'cause you only bring me down. But now I am gonna fly. You're gonna be loveless when you're without me. You're gonna regret it. Sooner or later, you're acting all tough. You think you're all that, but don't you know what goes around goes back around? You're gonna be loveless sooner or later. You gotta face the facts one of these days when your luck has run out. But don't you come crawling back, 'cause you know we're through, oh yeah. 'Cause you only cloud my eyes so that I can't see the sky. You're gonna be loveless when you're without me. You're gonna regret it. Sooner or later, you're acting all tough. You think you're all that, but don't you know what goes around goes back around? You're gonna be loveless sooner or later. I'm throwing all your dirty laundry out the door. There's nothing left to say. Your actions said it all. Oh yeah. Oh, hey, you're gonna be loveless when you're without me. You're gonna regret it. Sooner or later, you're acting all tough. You think you're all that, but don't you know what goes around goes back around? You're gonna be loveless sooner or later. Yeah, sooner or later. Oh, you're acting all tough. You think you're all that. You're acting all tough. You think you're all that. You're acting all tough. You think you're all that. You're acting all tough. You think you're all that. You're gonna be loveless sooner or later. Wait a minute, I just wanna get to you. I've been trying for some time, 'cause I've been waiting here for someone like you. We go together like misery likes company, but we'll be getting there somehow. Nothing else matters, it all comes down to me and you. Everywhere we go, nobody knows when
Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it, and I hope you guys are having a great one. I hope you're all staying warm. It's kind of nice to be home today, you know, with all the snow and the cold and the blustery wind and blowing everywhere. It's just nice to stay home. So I hope you guys are staying warm and toasty as well. So that's all I have for today, guys. I will say goodbye. I'll see you all very soon in my next video. Bye, guys.
Give me reasons to doubt, try to keep me down, but I'll put the flame out, you can't get to me. Throw your sticks and your stones, go break all of my bones. You won't ache my soul, you can't get to me.